Welcome to Historic Wonders, where we uncover the dark corners of history that shaped our world. Today, we delve into the chilling legacy of Unit 731, a covert biological and chemical warfare research and development unit of the Japanese Imperial Army during World War II. Unit 731, established around 1936, operated under the guise of water purification and epidemic prevention to conduct some of the most heinous war crimes of the 20th century. Located in the Pingfang district of Harbin, China, it was the epicenter of Japan's secret biological warfare project. The unit carried out brutal experiments on thousands of prisoners of war and civilians, including men, women, and children, primarily Chinese, Korean, and Russian. These experiments included vivisections, weapon testing, and the deliberate infection of subjects with deadly pathogens. Lieutenant General Shiro Ishii, a Japanese microbiologist and a military medical officer, led Unit 731. Under his command, the unit sought to develop biological weapons by studying their effects on live humans. Detailed exploration of the experiments conducted, such as exposure to extreme temperatures, pressures, testing of grenade and chemical weapons on live humans, and the spread of diseases like plague and anthrax. At the end of the war, Unit 731's facilities were destroyed, and documents were burnt to hide evidence of their activities. The members of Unit 731 returned to Japan, with many resuming civilian lives or integrating back into academia and medical fields. In a controversial decision, members of Unit 731 were granted immunity from war crimes prosecution by the United States in exchange for their research data on biological warfare. This decision was heavily influenced by the Cold War, as the US prioritized gaining an advantage over the Soviet Union. The decision to grant immunity to Unit 731 members was indeed related to broader US national interest during the early stages of the Cold War. The US saw value in the unit's research data for developing its own biological warfare capabilities, influencing General Douglas MacArthur's decision. Concluding with the importance of acknowledging and learning from this dark chapter in history, it's crucial to remember the victims and recognize the dangers of dehumanizing others and the ethical boundaries of scientific research. Thank you for joining us on Historic Wonders. Understanding our past, no matter how uncomfortable, is vital to ensuring such atrocities never happen again and never be forgotten. Subscribe for more deep dives into history's most pivotal moments.